Next up, we have Michael Mogru from SpanSet. Once again, during Michael's presentation, please post your questions in the Q&A section, and Mike will answer your questions at the end of his session. So at this time, I'd like to turn it over to Michael and SpanSet.
Thank you very much, Justin. I appreciate that. I'd like to, at this time, take this opportunity to thank Liz Davis, who put together our presentation for us. I appreciate that. She had done that. And also Jeff Wallace and John Garrison, who is our rigging specialist, Jeff Wallace, and our plant operations engineer, John Garrison, who both will be on the call for the question and answering session as well. So I'm going to share my screen.
Hello, everybody. My name is Mike Mogru, and I am Midwest Regional Sales Manager for SpanSet Inc. On behalf of all the hardworking employees at SpanSet, I would like to thank AWRF for giving us the opportunity to present today and to thank you for joining us. During this session, we will tell you about SpanSet, who we are, what we do, and where we are going with some of our new product information. So let's get started. SpanSet is an international company active in 22 countries with its own manufacturing and sales team within each country. Our corporate headquarters is located in Wallerau, Switzerland. In 1959, a man named Eric Eneb partnered with Volvo to develop a three-point seat belt, an innovation that undoubtedly saved many lives. Eric would then become the founder of SpanSet. He founded the company in 1966, and SpanSet was on the forefront of many other innovations, including being the first to use color-coordinated round slings to avoid confusion when choosing the right sling for the right job. Located in Sanford, North Carolina, just southwest of Raleigh, we established our U.S. business in 1980. We quickly established ourselves as a safety partner providing solutions in lifting, load control, and fall protection. SpanSet Inc. is an ISO 9001-2015 certified company. Our core activities cover the product areas of lifting systems, load securing systems, fall protection, and safety management. Additionally, we specialize in the design and installation of engineered fall protection safety systems through our Evan Fall Protection Company. Evan Fall Protection is a leader in the engineered fall protection industry with more than 25 years of diverse experience. As a specialty design build contractor, Evan Fall Protection is a full turnkey provider performing site assessments, system designs, engineering, fabrication, installation, certification, and user training. Our mission at SpanSet is to be the preferred partner to the user of quality products. Systems and safety management and lifting, load control, and height safety are very important to us, and they should be important to you. As you can see by this map, it outlines the scope of SpanSet's regional sales offices and our training locations. Our training includes SpanSet certified courses in fall protection, basic awareness, fall protection competent person, confined space entry, and rescue. We have two main partners that provide training. Safety Training Services, located in Highland, Indiana, which is just outside of Chicago, and First Due Training and Safety Consultants, located in Farmingdale, New Jersey, which covers New York, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania. We also provide training on location when the customer requires it. We find that training is an important aspect of what we do when it comes to safety. A lot of times people take things for granted, and that's when accidents happen. It's important to stay current whenever you're doing safety. Height safety is very important to SpanSet, and it should be important to you. 4 out of the top 10 OSHA violations in 2019 were related to fall protection. Fall protection is consistently in the top 3 of OSHA citations, and the fatality rate ranks in the top 5 consistently year after year. When it comes to fall protection, SpanSet provides quality products, training, service, and good record-keeping capabilities. From rescue kits to carabiners, from lanyards to lifelines, we are ready to support you on any job. SpanSet fall protection harnesses and lanyards are third-party tested. To conform to the latest ANSI Z359, they undergo a rigorous testing procedure. Our SRLs, or self-retracting lifelines, are leading-edge certified, giving the end user the knowledge that when they anchor above their head or below their waist, they will have the added protection of a leading-edge tested SRL. In 2020, SpanSet introduced our new high-performance sling, Magnum. Resilient, versatile, compact, and compliant, the Magnum round sling is constructed with UHMPE fiber, which has a tenacity that is 4 times greater than polyester and nylon. It's also highly cut resistant and more durable than other synthetic solutions. Magnum is hydrophobic, it floats in water, and is resistant to UV, chemicals, and salt, exhibiting the greatest reliability and longest durability, even under the harshest operating conditions. Magnum is easy to maintain, increasing uptime and reducing costs. The innovative construction of the Magnum round sling uses less core yarn than comparable round slings, with the same load-bearing capacity, which equals a low cost. Consequently, the Magnum uses less core yarn, which makes the Magnum round sling up to 50% lighter than conventional round slings. Magnum is lightweight, soft, and flexible, ensuring safer work with increased efficiency. Magnum's core yarn is U.S. sourced, ensuring a high-quality, consistent performance and reliable supply. The internal fiber core delivers the lowest carbon footprint per unit of the strength, making it a more environmentally friendly option. When you need a sling for heavy-duty, high-capacity performance, look no further than our Magnum Force high-performance round sling. It's compact, with an innovative construction that has LCP high-performance polyester fiber and a compact protective cover with LCP woven wear bars in that cover. The Magnum Force is up to 50% slimmer than a comparable round sling with the same load-bearing capacity. It is also wear-resistant. Outer protective cover is reinforced with an extremely abrasion and tear-resistant LCP high-performance polyester. In addition, the special design reduces the formation of bunching at the attachment point, which again significantly improves the wear behavior. Magnum Force round slings exhibits the greatest reliability and longest durability even under the harshest operating conditions, and that is an economic factor you can count on. Resilient? Yes, this high-performance round sling can be laid against tighter edge radii than conventional polyester slings. Work becomes more efficient, quicker, and therefore safer. Compliant? Of course it is. Magnum Force inner load-bearing core is made from the same material as the wear bars in the outer sleeve. This is to ensure any chemical damage indications are consistent with both inner and outer materials. Identifiable? The Magnum Force is a capacity woven in the sleeve to make identifying the capacity very easy and a safety feature that has proved to be a success. The load capacity is clearly identifiable even from a distance in the dirtiest conditions. Confusing the round slings is therefore effectively avoided, protecting people and material from the accidents. For over 40 years, SpanSet has been at the forefront of the development of extremely high-performance synthetic fiber lifting slings. With constant innovation and a consistent focus on quality, we have continuously improved our products. Our goal? To make your job lifting the heaviest loads as safe and efficient as possible. Our latest milestone, the Magnum X. Its design is very unique. Unlike the protective sleeve on a conventional round sling, the Magnum X has an extremely compact outer cover, much like a fire hose. The incorporation of high-performance polyester makes the outer cover extremely robust and therefore more tear and abrasion resistant than a conventional polyester protective sleeve. This completely new innovation makes the Magnum X much more compact, lighter, and easier to handle. Also, the special structure reduces the formation of wrinkles in the sleeve cover both at the crane hook and around the load, which is effective in preventing premature wear. Consequently, you will see a noticeable increase in work efficiency. Additionally, you will of course benefit from the SpanSet safety and quality standards, which set trends in the industry. Your safety is our driving force. In addition to external factors such as temperature, chemical environment, and mechanical stress, sharp edges still represent one of the main causes for damage on the lifting gear itself and are therefore a frequent cause of accidents. Another new item launched from SpanSet in 2020 is our X-Cut protective sleeve. X-Cut sleeve is a woven protective sleeve made from UHMPE or ultra-high molecular polyethylene to protect against sharp edges. This offers the best protection for your textile lifting gear against these sharp edges. Rotating and turning loads is also no problem for X-Cut, and the special rib structure of the sleeve design makes it easier for the lifting gear to slide inside the X-Cut sleeve. The sleeve protects the lifting sling even when a relative cutting motion takes place, and this can occur when a load moves while being lifted. The flexible sleeve construction can also be easily positioned on sharp edges in confined spaces. During the lifting process, the protective sleeve is placed firmly on the edge of the load while the lifting equipment within the sleeve continues to move freely. A couple of good reasons for using the X-Cut sleeve. One, it can slide over the sling as a sliding wear pad to be positioned in specific locations and removed for storage after you use it. Two, can be attached to one leg or both legs permanently in the manufacturing process. And three, the ability of the sling to slide freely inside of the sleeve. In order to further improve the handling and cost effectiveness of transports with heavy loads, such as construction, agricultural, and production machines, SpanSet now uses high-performance polyester in the webbing for load securing. Thanks to the use of high-quality, high-tech fibers in the new MaxSafe heavy-duty ratchet, the resulting weight saving of around 24% compared to common products with the same lashing capacity makes work much easier for the user and much safer. MaxSafe is easy to use and quick to install. The exceptionally low elongation of the webbing of 2%, similar to that of wire rope or chain, generates such high restraint forces through the early introduction of force into the system that load shifts of heavy goods are prevented under normal driving and road conditions. In the event of emergency braking or sudden evasive movements, the MaxSafe ratchet system will maintain its integrity and hold the load. According to the standard, the fixed end and the loose end are each identified by a robust and tear-resistant label typical of SpanSet, which is additionally protected by the strap overlap. The product advantages: at capacity, the 4-inch strap, 15,000 pounds working load limit. 2-inch strap, 7,500 pounds working load limit. Particularly low elongation, less than 2%, and high retention forces. Low weight savings of around 24% compared to chain and binders. Excellent UV and meteor resistance, and ideal for lashing of heavy vehicles and machines. Another innovative product from SpanSet. Thank you for participating in our presentation. At this time, we will welcome any questions you may have for us or any comments on what you have just seen during this presentation.
Okay, thank you, Mike. Great presentation. We do have a couple of questions that have come in. The first one is, are all SRL units factory load tested prior to shipping?
Our leading edge SRLs are load tested before they are shipped out to the customer.
Okay, and the second question that came in, do Magnum X slings have a different D2D requirement?
Yes, the Magnum X D2D requirements are a little different than regular polyester slings, as they instead of a spreading as most round slings do over the edges, they keep a little more of a rope configuration, so it changes just a little bit.
Okay, and same line of questionings. Are the Magnum slings proof tested prior to shipping, or is this only on request?
No, all Magnum slings are proof tested 2 times to the working load.
Okay, great. There's one more question. What about the no-cut performance in comparison with secure techs?
Not very familiar with SecureText. The no cut. John, are you familiar?
I'm not sure about testing between the two. I'm sure there are various tested for each one. I don't think we did a comparison between the two.
Okay, another question has come in. Are your Magnum round slings single jacket or double jacket?
They are all double jacket.
Okay. That seems to be it for the questions. Do you guys have anything else to add?
I'd just like to thank the group for the opportunity to present in front of them. Again, want to thank Liz Davis for her help with the presentation, and Jeff and John as well for their technical additions to the presentation. And if you guys have any questions or any issues, please contact us at SpanSet USA.com, and have a good week.